Now let's talk about the molding. This is a very important process regarding the entire structure of the shell. First is heating the shell. Our molding machine features multi-zone temperature control. This allows us to adjust the heat for different areas of the acrylic based on the exact size and depth of the spar. But here is a small detail that makes us different from other factories. We adjust the heating formulas based on the ambient temperature and humidity. In the summer, we slightly lower the temperature. In the winter, we turn it up. If you don't keep an eye on temperature and humidity changes, it can cause big quality issues like delamination and blisters. Once the acrylic is perfectly heating, the molding process started. The spar mold will smoothly rising and the suction start work after that. Then you will see the acrylic hugs the mold perfectly with no uneven stretching or crack. The final result perfect and beautiful. When a spar acrylic shell is formed this way, it will keep that deep premium glass for years. If you look at the low-cost spars, this is what you are actually buying. Most manufacturing defects come with rough cleaning and lazy molding process. Where a factory cuts colors, these hidden flaws make the production line looks good, but they will expand into water leaks and cracks in the future. When the spar molded in standard process, look at this spar right here. We built it 18 years ago. There's no crack, no bubbles, and no fadings. Yes, you can trust your eyes. At our factory, we never leave quality to chance. Every hot top acrylic follows strict, non-negotiable standards from the raw material arrives to the moment the product finishes. Our production flow is fully leading in China. We inspect raw materials, apply anti-static treatment, and use multi-area constant temperature molding. Every step has strict quality control. Engineers work right on site to rule out all possible issues up front. No spot checks here. We inspect every acrylic one by one. Even tiny flaws on our inspection lines will be rejected right away. Our strict production standards let our global OEM partners enjoy constant quality, long-lasting products, and a premium look, so they never run into trouble and easily in their markets. Team up with us, and this solid system will strongly back up your brand. At the end of the day, making a premium hot top that actually lasts is not a mystery. It just comes down to following the rules in the workshop and not cutting colors. If you are tired of dealing with your angry customer complaints and you hope to improving your sales, we have got you covered. We have the team, we have the capacity, and we are ready to ship. Just talk to me today, whatever about your business needs. Let's get to work, and thank you for watching.